Hey, what's up guys? Crystal Bash here. Um, Please, if you're seeing this video, subscribe, hit the bell. We're going to run the Hoss later today. I'll show you what we got going on here. So, I finished the body. Um, I did the Shugu, but I do need the part number for this back bumper. I cannot find anywhere. And every kit you buy does not come with this. So right now all I have is I need the piece that goes right into those holes, and I did the entire body with the drywall Shugu. What we got going on here is this is my own work with the receiver up there. I put it up there just to make a little bit more room, so I can get to my put a bigger servo in, and the ESC. When the receiver box right here, it's kind of just all tight, and I wanted to move it around, so I'm running 4S with two 2S LiPo batteries, two connectors on the ESC, hobby weighing 120 amp with the Creighton 4S motor. What else? I have the upgraded axles and tie rod ends, and an RPM bumper up front. I have the new belted tires. They're the Traxxas 6-pack MTs. They're belted, but I did vent them. And then also when you got they're also beadlock tires. If you have a set of beadlock tires and you squeeze it and you get that air sound, that beadlock probably needs to be redone. Like this one here, you could hear air coming out, and you could see the spot where it's kind of the tires messed up. So when you order new tires, always take your beadlock off and reset it yourself, because you know, they're doing this fast at the factory and pumping them out. If you do it and you shouldn't hear any air come out of there when after you're done venting them. And if you need help venting them, I made a video on how to do it properly and perfect holes. Just yeah, watch that video. And later today we'll be running the Traxxas Hoss with the LCG chassis. So if the Hoss chassis was on here, it would literally probably just sit a couple inches higher, which I intend to do, but with shocks. I'm not gonna do it with the body. So this is pretty much the Traxxas Hoss with the Rustler chassis. So it's lower to the ground. The stock shocks are on there, but like I told you guys, I have a ton of shock options, and could run I have the Creighton shocks. I'm going to put on these shocks here in the rear, and then I might put the rear shocks on the front. This won't be so drastic because I don't want too much droop. The more droop you have, the more chance you have to break an axle. Pulling this out will create an harder. It's less resistance if it's no droop. So if you're running a car without droop screws, you don't want these tires hanging down like super low. So in the back where the most power is, there's not much droop there. So your axles are stronger. I know from experience because I've already broken two of the aluminum axles. So just a note, and subscribe if you want to see me run this a little bit later after the game's over. And yeah, we gotta get those subscribers up to 100 so we could do some live feeds. So if you're seeing this video, this is the upgraded Traxxas Hoss. Uh, Leave it in the comments about that bumper, please. That part. Anybody that has a Hoss book, I need the part number for this piece. I already got the roof rack coming in and the rest of the center, that piece coming in already, but I cannot find the bumper or the part number to the bumper that goes on back here with the 3 holes. So if you could leave in the comments, I'd really appreciate that, guys. And hit that subscribe, and leave your comments and likes or dislikes. And we'll run this after the game. Alright, this is Chris LaBash. Subscribe, like, comment. Thanks, guys.